Question number 30. The figure below represents the blood group of a donor. Accordingly, the blood group of the recipient has to be AB, O, A, or B. If you have a look here, you're going to find that the blood group of the donor has both of antigens, antigen A and antigen B. So the plasma, okay, of the recipient must not have any antibody, should lack any, okay, antibodies. And the only blood group that lack of any antibodies is blood group AB, not O. Let's extend the explanation a little bit. Yeah, answer is AB. Reason: the blood group A, in the surface of the RBCs, there is antigen A, and in the plasma, there is antibody B. So antigen A and antibody B will never make a coagulation. Why? They are different. The blood group B, in the surface of the red blood cells, there is antigen B, and in the plasma of the patient, there is antibody A, so they will never make a blood clotting or coagulation. In the blood group AB, both antigens A and B represented on the surface of the RBC, while in the plasma lack any of the antibodies, so nothing will happen. In the blood group O, opposite. The surface of the red blood cells lack of any antigens, but their plasma do contain both antibody A and antibody B. So, of course, the blood group that will be given to the recipient has to be, yes, AB. Why the AB? Lack of any antibodies.